Hi everybody and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I've uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes our videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, and I try to keep us all up to date, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. All right. Okay, guys, this is really surprising. I just got a notification that for the fall box, there are going to be limited supplies, as well as I have some newer up-to-date spoilers, even before we're going to get into our spoiler week starting on Monday. They just released it. They're saying it is their favorite time of the seasons, which is the spoiler season. They're saying we are just days away from revealing the fall 2022 box. We received a lot of feedback from you all these past few seasons about how we've spoiled products, and our two biggest learning lessons about increasing transparency and trying to help minimize confusion. As you know, our box curation has evolved into a full customization experience. While that ensures that everyone is choosing the best curation for themselves, it has also made the spoiler process more complicated, giving the thousands of potential box curations that are possible, and the fact that not everything we spoil may be available throughout the entire duration of the customization. As we've grown to over 1 million members, our merchandising process has also evolved, and our team is tasked with sourcing products for the box and our e-commerce sales in varying quantities. At the end of the day, we are looking for the best products from the most exciting brands, and as you all know, that doesn't mean the same thing for everyone. For this reason and a host of others, like the supply chain, cost increases, shipping delays, etc., this means that some of these products will be available in what we're calling limited supply. However, they can guarantee us that we are always securing as many units as possible, because they understand that our members love a good variety of products. So what does that mean for all of us? We understand that our current customization experience prompts you to essentially plan your box, log in, customize, and then never look back. As always, once you lock in your customization picks, they are yours. But if a new exciting product flows in during your window, you can switch your pick at any time before the customization closes. It is also their goal to continue to secure a variety of products for these major brands. So even if the event an item sells out within the first hour of customization, you may still have the opportunity to grab different products from the same brand. You never know. An item put in on day 3 may spark your interest more than the item that was available on day 1. With that, we plan to be very upfront in our spoilers this season about what items we expect to sell out on day 1, if not hour 1 of customization. We want to encourage you all to go into customization with your first, second, and third options for each category. Instead of the fantasy football draft, think of it as the fantasy FABFITFUN draft. While some lucky members with super quick fingers may be able to snag these limited supply picks, many will find that their perfect team, which is their box, doesn't include any limited supply options. However, that is why we are trying to make each customization category as diverse and exciting as possible. So there are many options that you will love, so that you will get an entire roster full of great choices. This season, you will see limited supply items with a badge in their social spoiler posts. This will also be labeled limited supply in customization. They're saying that something else you might notice this season is that they aren't spoiling every category. Back in the day, the box remained a mystery until it arrived at your doorstep. We want to bring some of that mystery back. As stated previously, we are going to continue to having a rolling curation throughout the season. So spoiling every product in every category is no longer the right strategy for FABFITFUN, as we feel it will cause more member confusion during the season. We are going to continue to rely on flexibility with our spoiler schedule. As always, we are open to the constructive feedback. We ask that you get through the spoiler week and customization before you make any quick judgments. We know change isn't always easy, the most comfortable, but we can guarantee you that our goal is always to provide the most streamlined, positive, and exciting member experience. So what I've gotten, and I still have some spoilers to share with you, what I have gotten out of this is that they are having trouble, like every other business, of getting the amount of quantity in or shipping delays. So because of that, they're saying what we are going to spoil next week are like the first items of what they expected to be 100% in the box. But because of these delays and other issues with the supply chain, if something does sell out, there will be a replacement in there. So we're all going to have the same amount of items to choose from. They just might not be the same items. So if you're not so excited and you've put something in your box, they're telling us during our customization window to go back in and double check, because maybe the item that got the limited supply, the other item that replaced it might suit more to what we want in our box. It's just not something that was spoiled. So I just want to make sure that this information, because as I always say, if I know something, I want you guys to know it too. And I love that they're being upfront about this, so that this type of situation that has been ongoing, since it's going on 2 years in reference to the supply chain and all of those issues, that they're being really upfront and transparent about it. Please share in the comments how you feel about it. But in the meantime, let's check what the other sneak peek spoilers they have in store for us. So starting with this, they're saying they're excited to share 2 more early fall box spoilers. It is going to be Nars and also from Free the People. They're offering the Nars Blush not in 1, not in 2, but in 3 different colors. So starting with the Nars Blush in Taj Mahal, they're saying these are a $32 value. And the next one that I will show you a picture of is in the shade called Deep Throat. And then the next one that is going to be in the box as an option will be the Orgasm X. They're saying that these are buildable, blendable, indispensable, uncover the best in your glow. This cult favorite best-selling Nars Blush delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color. It is superfine micronized powder pigments that ensure an irresistible, soft, blendable application. It is superfine and silky powder is irresistible, and this blush is now the new and bold. They're saying that if we want to have this as an additional choice, it will be $15. And then they say how to use it. It's a blush, so it says use a blush brush to apply the blush to the apples of your cheek. You could sweep across the hairline, the bridge of your nose, and your chin. For more dimension, apply the shimmer shade to the staples of your cheek and the matte shades to the hollows of your cheek. Then they go on to how there is a special Nars technique on how to contour, how to highlight, and how to give yourself a pop of color. And they're saying there are shipping restrictions on this. It cannot be shipped to Canada and the UK. So this is solely going to be for the US. The next item is from Free the People. And this is an Understated leather carry-on packing cube. It will be a package of 2. They're saying it is a $40 value. It says, get ready to travel with your favorite set of 2 packing cubes by Free the People in an Understated leather. The beautiful print will make you want to book your next trip, making packing your next vacation beauty with this fun print. If you don't choose this as your choice item, it can be chosen as an additional choice price of $12. They're saying they don't have the dimensions yet. They'll be coming soon. And then they're saying how to use it. Pack your favorite essentials in here and keep your luggage organized with 2 different sizes. They're saying that to style your outfits ahead of time and keep them organized in these 2 different size packing cubes. It is 100% polyester, and the name of the brand is Understated Leather, and there are no shipping restrictions on this item. So that is what they have given us in reference to the items that we can have as additional spoilers. They're not mentioning which customization this is in. I wanted to add this to this video after I saw this other news in reference to the FABFITFUN updates. Like I said, please share in the comments down below. I'd love to know your thoughts, but at least we have a heads up of what we have in store for us. And like I said, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel because like I always say, if I know something, I want you guys to know it too. And I'll see you all soon again on my next video. Take care, everybody. Stay well.